Hey everybody! So I haven't seen this done yet, and I thought it'd be kind of cool. My daughters are pretty young, and I had them paint pumpkins this year, and I had a couple left over. And so I thought I would try a pour over a couple of pumpkins just to see how it'll turn out. I have one with the stem up and one with the stem down. I have a feeling this is going to be pretty messy. I wasn't sure if I would need to put gesso on it or not. I kind of feel like it might slide off of it, but I might as well. I'll go ahead and do that. This is going to be nice and messy, I'm sure. And in the spirit of Halloween, I thought it'd be a great video for me. Especially since I haven't seen it done yet. So, one issue that I think I might have is there's no way for me to keep this off of the plastic. So this is going to be very, very messy. Just put this like this. And it's alright though, right? I mean, you're not an artist if you don't get your hands dirty. Every now and then, at least. I'll just spread it all over this one as well. I was just curious how it would react on this kind of a surface. I know I've seen people do it on vases and stuff, so it probably will have a similar effect. But I thought it'd be a nice little Halloween special. Wipe my hands off. My smock here. And then we'll start mixing the colors, which I already have some pre-mixed. I just gotta put them in the big cup. Got some nice white hands now. But I got some colors here. I got some orange and black in the spirit of Halloween, as well as some purple because I feel like that's pretty Halloween-like, as well as red and silver, just because it's always nice to have the metallic in the pours. Alright, so we'll start with a black base in our big cup. I might end up having to mix more. I haven't decided. I'm probably definitely going to be doing just a pour over the top of this, probably like a ring pour. And then I was kind of thinking of maybe trying to do a flip cup with this one, but I don't know yet. So we'll do some orange on top of the black. Do some silver. Some purple. Some red. Some more black. And that one might be good. We're gonna do a stir. So, alright, so let's do the first pumpkin and see how this looks. Just a little tree pour. That looks so cool right now. Just trying to cover all the extra space on the edges here. Alright. Okay. It's a lot of black. Let's get the torch. Or, well, my cheap version of the torch. I don't know if it's gonna do anything on this either. Oh yeah, there's some. Okay. Now the next dilemma. There's so much puddling right in the center. I'd like to spread out. There we go. Well, that's pretty cool looking. I don't know if it's exactly what I expected. Well, but I don't know if I had an expectation to begin with. But that's what it looks like. Got a nice big old puddle underneath it. I'm sure I'm gonna have to do something about that before it dries completely. Okay, so let's do the next one, shall we? Let's do some more mixing. Just keep the same cup. And we'll do a black base again. I don't know if I want as much though. And we'll do orange. And then I think purple. And red. Silver. I didn't do very much in the last one, which is disappointing. It's kind of muddy and that's a little sad, but maybe it'll dry better. I'll do a bit more orange. I guess I should have gotten a canvas to put it on this. Maybe it would have turned out cool underneath. Okay. So we're gonna go for like a brighter type pumpkin this time. I'm gonna do a flip cup. Slick though. Okay. And because it's round, it's already sliding out. I like this one better so far. All right. For a little bit. Some nice cells in there. I'm curious what it's going to look like flipped over, or if I'm just going to have to put it on the porch with it upside down. It'll be different. Got some nice cells. Alright. See if we can tilt it a little bit more this way. I mean, you definitely agree that that looks much better than the last one, right? I don't know if it's because of the flip cup method or because I didn't add nearly as much black to this one. Okay. Well, this one's definitely the winner if I had to choose one. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I will come back and let you see whenever it's all nice and dry, and I will put a nice layer of glossy top coat on it, and we'll see how these turned out. This one still has quite a bit inside here, and I think I'm gonna have to change it over to a different plastic sack so that it doesn't all get stuck together. I don't know, it's gonna be a mystery and we'll just have to see. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, If you guys have any ideas for future videos, please do share in the comments down below, or contact me on my Facebook page. Come like up my Facebook page. Feel free to like this video up and share it, and please subscribe if you enjoyed. Thanks so much, guys. I'll talk to you in a little bit. Hey guys, and we're back. These are now completely dry, and they've also sprayed it with some crystal clear glossy top coat. And these are the opposite sides. I've had to flip them over so that they could dry on both sides. So it's kind of messy because, as you can see, they were very stuck to the plastic. So let me turn them over so you can see the actual poured looks. This one is still very much my favorite. I like it a lot, and I will probably be displaying it as an upside down pumpkin, so that's different, right? This one, as you can see, the white in the middle, because the puddle that had happened wasn't drying, so I just flipped it over and it all poured out. It dried like that. So this one's a bit messier, a bit muddier, and like there's a whole lot of white going on. So I don't like this one as much, but still, it's a unique idea. And play around with the colors a bit more. This one's mostly like black and red. I like this one, like on this side right here, especially with like the orange and black and everything going on. Interestingly enough, you can't see the silver on like either one of these, so. Or, you know, I also had purple, and there's no purple in either one of these. So that's kind of sad. But, I mean, it's all just trial and error, and you figure it out as you go. I thought it was just a nice little video for Halloween that I could try, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you try it for yourself sometime. It'd make a really nice, like, first pumpkin painting method if you just do it with your kids or whatever. It'd be a little bit messy, but I think they'd have fun, and you get some really interesting results. Alright, that's all for now. I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.